What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I haven't posted in a while, I think maybe about 1 or 2 weeks, but it just past Thanksgiving. I hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. But today I'm actually going to be doing the single most important thing that everyone should do to their car, and I'm getting the car a full PPF. I should have done this to my Supra. I'll show you guys all the rock chips that I've accumulated over the past almost 4 years that I've owned the Supra. But yes, I'm going to be full PPF to my 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser, and I'm going to be taking it down to Detail Union with Joel and the guys over there. I just love going to their shop because they like attention to detail that Joel has. Like, he's not afraid to like tell his workers like, yo, like this needs to be like perfect, and I truly appreciate that. As a customer, and it should be good. But this is going to be like a week-long video. It's just going to be bits and pieces just because Zeldin and Richard are graduating at the end of the week, and I definitely wanted to record and put that in the video just because like this whole YouTube channel is like a time capsule for me that I can look back on in the future. But it should be really exciting. I'm like so excited because like the main reason why I bought this car was just because I wanted to take the car on road trips, mainly. Like, I want to go to like Yosemite, Redwoods, Sequoia, all of these places. But once I get the PPF, I'll definitely feel a lot more comfortable taking the car out on these road trips, especially like trail running or like off-roading. But I'll update you guys once I get to Detail Union. So I'm on my way to Richard and Zeldin's graduation, which is actually pretty cool. It's, I don't know why, but it's held at a cemetery, which is kind of weird, but the venue should be nice. Last year we went to, or last year or a couple years ago, we had Casey's graduation here, and the venue was actually really nice. But I'm just gonna record like little parts. I don't want to like record the whole graduation. I'm mainly just gonna do Richard and Zeldin's part, because like, I don't know if I said this before, but they graduated from PTA school, so they're like physical therapy assistants, I think, and they're gonna be getting food afterwards with their parents, and then we're gonna get food probably either tonight or Sunday. I'm not even too sure, but I'm gonna reach out. I reached out already to Detail Union. The car is almost done. It's just getting ceramic coated and getting like their final touches, and I think going through like quality control or whatever, the quality check, and it's not gonna be ready till tomorrow. So we're just gonna be ending the video with when I get food with Zeldin and Richard later. But hope you guys enjoy the next couple clips of their graduation.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Concord College's North Hollywood Winter 2024 graduation. Please rise and welcome our candidates for graduation. Assistant.
Zeldin.
Richard Lynn. Daniela Abego.
So I don't know if you guys remember, but when I went to Disneyland, I don't know how many months ago, I got like a scratch right here. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but if I would have had PPF, it would have been like a lot better, and it would be a lot easier to clean. And there's so many like rock chips, like here, it's like all over the front. But and I don't know how I got this here too. But I know in the future this is gonna get replaced with hopefully like an Adro one. But yeah, you guys should definitely PPF your car. Just like, look, dude, it looks so ugly, especially like when it's clean and stuff. She is mine again to daily. Looks so good. I need to come back in like 2 weeks for that quality check, but it actually looks really good. I mean, they said I didn't have any rock chips in the front or anywhere. That's like the main thing I wanted it to get before, because like you see, there's this huge ass one, and I'm glad I didn't get anywhere else, but it looks good. I like it. I miss driving this thing actually. This is where we will end today's video. I just want to say a huge thank you to Detail Union and Joel for taking such good care of my car. Like the full PPF, like the paint is so buttery smooth right now. So I'm going to be following up in about like a week and a half just for my quality control check. Basically, I think they're just going to do like final touch-ups and stuff. He said like it's not normal for it to bubble, or and then, I don't know, I forgot. But he said like don't wash it, like if there's bird shit just like wash it or like wipe it off or whatever. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I'll do like a quick little walk around. I'm at like this beautiful little view here to take some photos of it. You got LA sky, right? I don't even know if you can see that far on camera, but I can see it. And I'm excited because I really want to go on like some road trips now. I want to go like, I don't want to go like off-roading in the sense where like I'm like teeter-tottering like the rocks and stuff, but I want to go like trail riding and stuff. Basically want to do like this area, I don't know where it is, I think it's like near San Bernardino or whatever, but I want to go like to Alabama Hills and all of those things. If you guys have any place like to go that I can do like trail riding or whatever, let me know like down in the comments. Or I know I just want to go to like Yosemite, Redwoods, all the above basically. But let's just go look at the paint really quick. Let's turn off the car. I wish you guys can like touch it, like not to be weird or whatever, but like it's like so soft. It looks so good. Look, the sun is hitting it so good right now. This will probably be the thumbnail of the video. But once again, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.